again, Slow Riders. Hey, we did another birthday drive-by. We're in Los Alamos, California. It's actually a twofer. One is a Korean vet, one is a Vietnam vet. And today we got a pile of bikes. Quite a few of us from the American Legion. We got a local motorcycle club. Gold Coast. These fellas over here are from the Elks Club, called the Touring Elks. They're new to the ride. And our usual assortment of crazy fun-loving veterans. I'm gonna try to get in the back or the middle of the pack so I get you a lot more bikes in the scenery here. It is Mama Tolan and Papa Tolan's anniversary, so they did not attend this one. But Robert Jr. is here and he's leading the pack. Now you guys tell me if this bike isn't gorgeous here. That's about the most chrome and the most blue on a bike I've ever seen. You'll see as it goes by. It is absolutely beautiful, like a rolling jewel box. Woo! Mr. Warren with his flags. Santa Barbara County Fire Department. Who is present here is bringing along their fire truck. Can make a lot of noise with us. Nice Camaro. And we are rolling. Blinkies on. Good looking little truck. war vet. He's unfortunately ravaged by Alzheimer's. His folks, his people said he'll remember the day, but he probably won't remember this tomorrow. God bless him. And we did a 2-block turnaround because the lineup is so large. And these town blocks in Los Alamos are so small, there's no way we're gonna, no way it would fit the whole lineup around 1 block. Alrighty. Told Junior, his beautiful wife, and his lovely little daughter, Liberty. What an absolute all-American name for a daughter. Liberty. Beautiful. Here's Yeller feller.
How old are you, sir? How old are you? 90. Nice. Where'd you serve in Korea? Huh? Where did you serve in Korea? Where? Yes, where? I was going there. Didn't have money. 35th Cacti Regiment, 25th Division.
I had an uncle who was in Chosun Reservoir in Korea. Hated it.
Yep, he's just going.
You can go. Yeah, go ahead. We know Pop.
Oh, I don't know. Shit, I can't remember them.
Picture with you right now.
He's still with Guadalupe Bunch.
Yeah.
He's still up there doing little things.
Try.
Yeah.
Try.
Yeah, I've been thinking about you guys. I've just
I know.
a long time ago. I know it.
All right, so everybody see you. Happy birthday now. All right, everyone, you guys got your singing voices?
Yeah, thank you.
All right. Happy birthday to you. Hey. Happy birthday to you. Ho. Happy birthday, dear George. Happy birthday to you. All right, next we'll have,
I didn't expect this.
next we'll have Dennis go up and present the welcome home and Vietnam Veterans Coin.
Pull a bunch of sneakers on me.
Fellow veterans,
That's you too, baby.
You too. This is a local Central Coast group of veterans and patriots. I'd like to honor you today on your birthday.
Okay,
This
thank
is
you.
the 10th anniversary challenge coin. I'd like to present that to you.
Thank you.
And we have one for you too, sir. On behalf of Vietnam Veterans of America, we have a challenge coin. Chapter 982, Guadalupe, California.
Thank you.
Thank you both for your service.
You bet.
Next one, George with the vet center, go up and present his little goodies he had.
On behalf of the Vet Center and the federal government, we're here to give you a goodie bag. Thank you for your service anytime in Korea. It's an honor to be here in your presence and hand you a challenge coin for the Vet Center program.
next we got Julie with mail call. Letters from home.
Was that the highlight of your trip, was to get mail from people from home? So we have all this mail for you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you for your service.
Very much. All right, can we have all veterans please step forward? Missy, you want to lead it? No? Let's make way for Frosty. I'll be right, guys. We have Frosty, our 101-year-old World War II veteran. He's going to come up and join us. Good to see you again, Frosty.
Gotta be careful out here with this stuff.
Yes.
I caught my heel on the back of that one day, talked to the paper man, and I fell over backwards.
Oh no.
I'm trying to keep from doing that.
All right. Attention. Present arms. Order arms. Thanks, sir. Thank you, guys.
Love it. All veterans, get on in there. You guys have been in tight quarters. And gals. Okay, those behind the flag, pop your head out. Okay. Gonna wait till they're done.
I think I got all glory.
Okay, let's get back to your lady. Hey, all veterans, if you would, if your face would be looking at me, I would greatly appreciate it. I've got competitions today. I've got all these others that are excellent photographers, I think. One more, let me do something. Smile big, everybody. Great smiles, everybody. Thank you all for your service. We salute you.
Another veteran salute in the books. Of course, I have to thank the Tolans for organizing. Robert Jr. was telling us that the town of Los Alamos was the birthplace of Welcome Home military heroes. They were down for a parade and were astounded at how many veterans participated in it. And that began the idea of Welcome Home Military Heroes, to honor all veterans as much as possible throughout the counties, throughout the tri-counties. Ventura, Santa Barbara, San Luis Obispo County. Couldn't ask for a finer group of people. Ooh-ah.